How to change Facebook profile link. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. However, we will not be using the regular Facebook app. Instead, we will be using Facebook on a web browser. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, navigate to Facebook and then open the website and log into your account and make sure that you are on the desktop site version. And once you do that, navigate to your settings. And here click on the Meta Account Center. And once you are here, from the accounts section above, click on your Facebook profile, and once you do that, you'll get this pop-up window right here where you will see the username. So as you can see right here, once you click on it, it tells you that changing your username will also change your Facebook timeline address, meaning that your Facebook link will be changed according to the changes that you make to your username. So once you enter here any username and it's available, once it's available, click on done, and that will change your username as well as um, your Facebook link. It's that easy and simple, so go ahead and try it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your Facebook link. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.